Did you know that in the 1940s in Jamaica, workers protested with megaphones, while today they often use social media? Some things never change. Labor unrest has been a constant theme in Jamaica. Back in the 1940s, the fiery Sir Alexander Bustamante rallied dock workers for better wages, standing on a crate and yelling at the top of his lungs. Fast forward to 2024, and protests are no longer on the streets but on social media, where one viral post can cause a national stir. Last year, the Jamaica Civil Service almost shut down the country over pay disputes. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Teachers Association got dragged to court this year. It's like Jamaica is stuck in a time loop, but at least we have Wi-Fi now. And speaking of changes, let's talk about the role of women. In the 1940s, women took charge during World War II, stepping up faster than you can say, "Yes, we can." Fast forward to 2024, and they've smashed their way into boardrooms and are now fighting for equal pay. Ladies, from factory floors to boardrooms, you've come a long way. Now, if only the paychecks would catch up. If you love learning how history mirrors our present, subscribe now. We've got plenty more mind-blowing comparisons between Jamaica's past and present. Bonus fact, you might not know that in the 1940s, Jamaica's labor protests inspired movements across the Caribbean, setting the stage for region-wide labor reforms.